Good with the plan? You guys got it? All right, cool. Everybody's got a plan and a couple minutes to the open. We did a little levels, thought processing, thoughting, thoughting. We did levels thoughting. Is this how you people talk in here? No. Yes. Again, if you're on trial with us, we got quite a few people on trial today. If you're on trial with us today, please participate, ask questions. We're happy to go through things. Guys, being serious about this. When I do class today, I'm not going to be nice. So, back to the basics. Follow the 89 exponential. I can't tell you enough. I had too many phone calls yesterday, too many coachings yesterday where I looked at trade logs and I looked at their trades and probably 4 out of the 5 coaching calls I did yesterday, the members were not following. I mean, guys, think about this. Even if you're using Tick guys, even in Tick Century Room, listen to Tick Tick Paul, you guys listen to me and reiterate this as well. The 89 exponential can be your best friend in the world, people. Stop fighting it. Stop trying to take trades against the 89. If it's pointing up, take long trades. If it's pointing down, take short trades. Kinda stop complicating this, please. If it's flat, stop trading, and it works on all indexes. It doesn't matter if you're tick century or if you're taking traditional trade setups, whatever. Guys, look at this. Look at this. You telling me you can't take shorts out of this? Come on. You're telling me you can't get a long or 2 out of that from yesterday? You tell me you can't do nothing there? You can't sit on your hands for a little while? Come on. You get plenty of opportunity. You don't see any good long trades here from zones? Oh, yeah, those are all zones, aren't they? Interesting. This is the point I'm trying to make. Stop doing it, people, please. Okay? Can we make a commitment today that you guys will stop if you're especially if you're still struggling to be profitable, you're going to stop fighting this 89. It gives you way too many opportunities in the direction it's pointing. Please, everybody, commitment. Not going to fight the 89. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, guys. Thank you, D Nice. Well, you have permission to fight to counter trend, counter the 89 D Nice. You have permission to do it in some circumstances. Don't get too don't get too squirrely with it. Hey, Mohammed, what's up, bud? Guys, I'm gonna tell you, I can't emphasize it enough. If you just look at the tick chart with an 89, uh, YM, ES, gold, NQ, freaking pick an asset class, and I'll put an 89 on it. And I'll show you with the right tick settings, the 89 will be your best friend on that tick chart. I'll prove it to you. Do you guys think I can prove it to you? Yes or no? I'll prove it to you in class today. How about? I'll tell you. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll prove it to you in class today. We'll pick a random futures asset, and I'll find the right tick settings for it, and I'll show you that the beautifully, perfectly well with the right tick settings. So let's just stop doing it. Let's make a commitment as a club to stop fighting the 89. A little too close to open for my comfort there, Justin. It probably worked though. I don't like that it hasn't crossed either yet, Justin. That's the other thing I don't like, that it hasn't crossed yet. What? Scott? The book you suggested is on YouTube, but they changed it to Chuck. What? Below the Oh. Oh, I get it. Okay, okay. A chuck. It is a funny book, but it's actually practical too. Actually, very practical. Kevin still said it's not just above or below the 89. It's direction. The 89 is pointing right. Yeah, pointing. What direction is the 89 pointing? Here, look, Kevin. Everybody, pay attention again, guys. Pay attention before we. How close are we to it? 5 minutes till the open. Look at this. You don't have to go very far past this. 89 works. The 89 works. Watch. The 89 works. Even if you miss all this, you still get two good trades off the 89 on the long side. Guys, I can't make this stuff up. The 89 works. Don't fight it. Stop doing it, please. Maybe you skip out on this crap down here, which we did, actually. That was our breakout short, wasn't it? Yesterday afternoon. Yeah, this was our breakout short yesterday afternoon. Right here. Boop. That was our short trade yesterday afternoon. And that was a counter trade. So we fought the 89. and, but by the time we took break, the 89 was already crossing. Um, so we really weren't fighting it. But I'm telling you guys, I can show you day after day after day after day after day after day after day. If you just follow the 89, it's going to work for you. Guys, please. We didn't just put this in here. Look, we didn't just put it in as a, hey, what, you know what? Maybe we'll do it at 89. How'd you come up with 89 exponential moving average? Because it was better than 88. Okay. The point I'm trying to make is it works. Just works. Just go back and look at it yourself, guys. Over and over. It works. So that's gonna be the theme of the day. Keep it simple. I don't I'm not really hoping for anything, Tom, I'm gonna be honest. It's flattening. Yeah, it's really flattening out right now. I wouldn't hope for anything right now, guys. I wouldn't be in a trade if I were you. Yes, it is. I mean, if you're long on like I mean, if you did take the long, but that's still a counter trade. Most people that are newer to trading, or to, getting consistent as a trader, becoming profitable as a trader, just wait about, 6 minutes after the market opens to, let it get itself some direction. Usually there is a decent trade that presents itself in that time frame, 5 to 7-minute time frame. So, um, I don't like things being this slow, guys, to be honest with you. That's another thing I don't like, a little slow, and we'll be patient. Again, I got that run, it was just me and Justin that got the run up yesterday afternoon, so I'm pretty happy with that. 30 points changed my day yesterday. After I gave it back, after I gave 600 back in the clubhouse, right, Justin? Stupid lawn, pest control, and house cleaner showing at the same time. Silliness. What are the odds that happens? All right. A few of you guys on trial are newer. Welcome aboard, Adrian, JJ, Tom. I think you've been around for a while. Some of you other guys have been around for a while. So, welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Those of you that are new to us, um, and those of you that have been here on trial for a couple weeks, we are going to make some money. How are you so confident we're going to make money? Because that's usually what we do, isn't it, guys? That's usually what we do, right? Make some money. I think it's usually what we do. All in favor? Say aye. Let's make some money. Let's do it. Yes, sir. All right. All right. Everybody's pumped up. Let's make some dollars. I mean, a few seconds. I mean, if we really look at this the right way, guys, it's most likely we got they already did a little bit of push down, so, you know, I would say that you expect a bit of push down, but it looks like they already did the push down, so we may just see this thing jump up, which is fine. Again, we're very patient traders. Those that are new to us, we can be patient about this. I'm gonna look for this possible breakout. Obviously, again, we need to be long, but hey, cost me $700 yesterday. Last kid cost me $700. Yeah. Oh my god, no. Stop talking about it, Taylor. I'm upset about it. It's hurting my feelings. Alright, here's at 9:45. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about that, guys. Let's look at these 2. 10's probably the bigger 10's prob 10's probably the bigger news area, um, between 2 news events there, Justin, but agree usually. Okey dokey. Here comes the push down that we thought we'd get. A little fake out on the upside there. Come from the zone. Should be see a little bounce here. Alright. Give it just a minute longer to get some, action here. I think if it breaks below this level here, guys, I'm starting to look at the shorts. Um, Obviously 89's turning down. Again, we're gonna keep a big theme with that. Man, and they just broke the little range on the nailed 11 on 1 micro and the ABS. Nice. All right. Good job, Kevin. About to sell it off, guys. They are about to dump just sitting on a little support right here. Now it's gonna break down. Watch. Here we go. So you breakout traders can do that. I'm gonna do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look for a first touch. We're possibly here. I don't like this. You're not gonna see the trade on my screen, but this is my personal no fly zone, which means again doesn't mean it your personal no fly zone. It's just me personally trying to. Um, I lost my windows. There they are. Okay, sorry about that. Oh shoot, Dave. Sorry about that. Really? Boom. I just reset mine. Just reset mine, Dave. Crazy price action here, guys. Give me one second. I need to. Thank you. Thanks. Sorry, Dave. I didn't. Just tell me every time. dude. I guess it was just a refresh on the room or something. Could alright, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm trying to find something to take action on that's not gonna give you a lot of heat. Um, and we're just sticking in this spot. I mean, look how much bigger this area looks now. Maybe, maybe they're waiting for the news. Maybe they are waiting for the news. Yeah, Dave, just remind me if you don't see it. I'll put it in there. I got no problems with that. I already cleared out. I did that $250 scalp that I told you guys to do. Did you do it, Dave? Uh, Dave. Nice. Nice. Okay. Well, you know me, Dave. The odds are if I make a trade call, you should probably do it cash. Right, Dave? Oh, you got it, Westy? Off the 200? Yeah, I guys, Big M. Oh, yeah. And it couldn't get past the 200. You're right. Double tops, double bottoms on all time frame charts today too, guys. Don't forget, we're looking for double tops, double bottoms on all time frames. So good eye, guys. Thank you, Justin, Westy. I mean, if you could have taken that risk, that's a good short. And I called that short for the Tick Century room. I just didn't want to call something that wild and woolly here for you guys, and then come up and somebody gets their stop taken from them on that little push up. Somebody that didn't know how to somebody that didn't know how to manage it. I didn't want to screw them up on that one. Um, it was an easier call for Tick Century, but you guys that got it, good job. Good job on the short there, guys. Again, we are looking at shorts. 89 is pointing down, correct? So for the time being, we will be looking at shorts. Now, the odds are right now you're going to get a breakout short, but most people shouldn't be trading breakouts for their first trade of the day. Again, Westy, you got that M2? You got in on the M short? Both you guys got it? Nice. Good job, Westy. Post, guys, please. Let's get back to posting our trades too. It really does help the others. It really does. If you guys don't mind doing it, if you get a good trade and you have a good entry and it's a valid one from our process and our methodology, post it. It helps other people see what they should be doing. Pretty please, guys, with the cherry on top and limeade. I don't know where I came up with that from. Oh, it's been years since I've had limeade. Thank you, guys. Thank y'all. No, it really does help a lot of other people. There's so many people in here that posting your trades helps other people see what they should be doing, and that's that's the beauty of this club is we try to help each other get profitable. It is the beauty of this club. That's what makes us strong like bull. Make you strong like bull. All right. Cool. Yeah, I think it's waiting on news. To be honest with you, that's what I was saying earlier. I mean, it's staying in a it's staying in a not a huge range here. Alright, let's see if this 9:45 does something. If not, they're gonna be waiting on 10 o'clock probably. What do we have, which one's the 9 o'clock one? I forgot. 9:45 is, final manufacturing. Yeah, we're hitting that right now. Nope. Maybe 10 AM. Maybe they're gonna just keep it like this all day. I mean, it is a range-bound environment. Just didn't think it would be like this. I thought we might have a little bit of breakout to one side or the other, and they've pushed it just ticks below the overnight range and, brought it right back into it. So and it is tightly staying to this overnight range too, isn't it? Support and control today. Just look at the chart. I think most of the contracts probably been trading right around 42, 43. Man, all right. This is why it took me a little while this morning to get things together, guys, because I was looking all around for really solid advice today. And you start into resistance, you think you're gonna get a push down, and the first thing they did on the open is push it up a little bit. Um, and then they finally push it down, and they push it up again, push it down. So it's almost acting like an inside day. But what I will tell you is now I can I'll do something like this. What I will tell you is this little area I have marked off my chart is correct. Price action looks like crap in it. But if it stays above this area, I'm gonna buy the crap out of it. If it stays below it, I'm gonna sell the crap out of it. My mind is made up now, as made as it can possibly be. And the good news about that is the 89 will follow either direction on that because price is leaving that area. So that would be my plan is to sit on my hands and wait and see. Um, it's so hard not to wait until the Premier Clubhouse to take a trade, isn't it? You just want to wait until then. Oh no. Oh no. No. They fired you. You're too good. All right. A little breakout on the long side coming up here in a minute, guys. The breakout special above 51, but that's about the best you could look at right now. I mean, in raw reality, I'd say still sit on your hands. And there should be a sell signal that comes from the zone. So, dealer's choice. Dealer's choice. There's your target stop. You did sell signal. I'm waiting until after 10, guys, to be honest with you. Now, you ready to take the short call? Chopping up? Yeah, it's chop I mean, that's what I expected today. Um, it took me a while to go back to my notes and figure out what was going on in this area because the market came down so fast past it that it didn't even, like, stop and wait. Um, alright. Yeah, I'm sitting here trying to think about what our actual item is, and, other than the breakout above 50, like I said, whatever that high was, 51, so I called the breakout. You had a little scalp, should've got could have gotten a little bit good stuff here at the short, but, I wanna see a little, diversion, expansion between the 89 and 200 is what I'd like to see too, yeah, bigger, wonkier end happening there, but, guys, this is hard to trade. Tough trading stuff right here. You know, I think well, yeah. Um, so you're trading on the range, Kevin, but, I want 89 pointing up on the tick chart means you have to have oversold stochastics to buy it. 89 pointing down on the tick chart, you have to have overbought. Don't worry about stochastics on the range. You can take the trade on the range chart on the reversal, but use the tick chart for your stochastics in 89. Okay? Does that make sense? Per our plan that we came up with yesterday? Oh, I forgot about that. Um, alright. Did anybody take the breakout long I called? Only oversold or overbought? Yes. Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay. Oversold stochastics or overbought stochastics with the 89 exponential. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Got you. You do it. Do it, Kevin. You're good to go. Now the 89 is pointing up, guys. Uh, you're gonna have to be extremely cautious and patient for price to come down and give you a nice stochastic oversold and hook up for the long trade. Let's see if it wants to stay up here. Man, that's hard treading here, guys. Tough treading, tough sledding, tough sledding. Yeah, you'd like to see price come down toward the 89, get a little oversold on stochastics. You'd like to see all of that happen. I don't think that's gonna happen though. This is a breakout. Um, and we have news in 6 minutes too. So, I mean, look at this, guys. You don't even have to replay the tape today. Tell me that this is not tell me this is an easy trading environment. Anybody? Anybody looking at this chart and saying, "Hey, this is an easy trading environment." Tell me how you tell me how you assess that. And this is what we've seen since 8:30 this morning, guys. Is it right, people, come on, chime in, chime in. Participation will make you better. They need to take a chill pill. That's right. The market needs to take a chill pill. This is ugly, guys. Yeah, you guys really think this is easy trading for anybody? You're outside your mind. No clear direction on this. This is a breakout. What's that? Hold on a second. Let me read Tony. I got in, made 30. Okay. I don't really want you scalping like that, Tony, but 300? 300 is better. Okay, good job. That 300 is good. Keep it for now. Don't do anything else. Just chill. Good job, Tony. Back to this chop area. So we're going to the Braves game. Done for the day. Nice, Tony. All right. Great job. Get on out of here, buddy. Have a good one. Stay for the jokes. My random comments. uh, this would normally be a long call. This would normally be a long call, guys, but take it if you are already green. If you're not already green, I'm still tipping my hands until still seeing my hands until probably after this 10 a.m. news, 10 a.m. clock news. Yep, that's why I didn't like to make that long call as fast. Get the breakdown. Um, you got the YM doing the same thing, just junking up and down in a range, junking up and that's a good way to describe it, right, guys? Junking up and down. I'm trying to come up with a good trade thought for you. I mean, if we can kind of review here, we had started here, 8:30 news, didn't really do anything, down for a second, then pushed back up, stayed in this range. Um, Took a break, come back, look for a good trade plan for the day, walk through it, talk about the breakout for the day of that Globex range. But it's not doing that. So, and we're getting wonky price action here, guys. These random jerks in the market do not make me comfortable. Uh, Now, if it fell below this level again, I'll be much happier. Like I said earlier, I'm just making this. I know that's somewhat like a 10-point range there, guys. But um, and I know it looks like there's plenty of opportunity in that area, which there is. If you're if you got a big enough account, you can take these trades out of that area. But me personally, I'm staying away from it because it's bit me before. And and again, I'm waiting on the 10 o'clock news. Um, at this point, I'm not gonna try to take a trade 2 minutes in front of it. Get some people done for the day. I got a whole $450 in my trading account today so far on that 6th century short call that I made earlier today. That's about it for me though, guys. I mean, I haven't done much else. Anybody else do anything else out there? Anybody else? grab some cash on anything? I mean, I'm purposely not making a lot of trade calls because I don't wanna get you guys in trouble. I hope you guys appreciate that. I just don't wanna get you in trouble, and I'm purposely not making a lot of trade calls. Whoa, there's your 10 o'clock news. There's your 10 o'clock news. Let's see what this does for us. Yeah, it doesn't matter what it does. It's just a reason for them to push it where they wanna push it to. And I'm glad I waited till after 10 to start trading. Stay off of it. Stay off of it for a minute, guys. Stay off of it for a couple minutes, guys. Watch the range chart. Keep your eye on the range chart. Um, as this thing starts to coil up, both YMES coiling up on the range chart in zone or at a zone. That's weird. And it looks like they want to push it down, but I'm still gonna sit here and think about this for a minute. Any ideas, people? Any ideas? Sit on hands, definitely for now, Dave. Definitely sit on hands. Scott, everybody. Again, great job, Tony. Nobody congratulated Tony for doing great, getting his money, getting the heck out of here. Congratulate our comrades. If it breaks the new highs, well, I mean, here now at this point, Justin, yeah, everybody at this point, the lower the high of the initial news move is a breakout trade. Okay, um, that we have to treat that like a range um, until the market, because that's what I mean. If these candles played out right, if these candles played out over 30, 40, 50 candles, this would be a range that goes up and down like this. Okay, similar to said range we had earlier. Okay, so we have to treat this news event as a range. Now we're starting to see a slight bias to the south side, but I'm not going to get fooled on this, guys. What is the beeping from? Oh, all right, Justin. Yeah, don't risk your PA on this one. Good job, Justin. Though. Good job today, Justin. Great job, actually. Great job. Um, I don't think we need to really be doing much, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not. I can't control the market. I hope you guys know that. And I'm not seeing anything that I want that I. If I'm not going to risk my capital on it, I don't want to risk. Most of the time, I don't want you risking your capital on. Does everybody see that? You guys. I mean, obviously, you scalpers can be scalping away in this. It's true, Scott. You know that. I don't want to risk my capital. I don't want you guys risking yours. And I'm not touching anything. Do you guys want me to leave my mic on in here when I give them a call in the Century Room? That way you guys hear it at least? I meant to ask you guys that yesterday. Yeah. Is there anybody that would be opposed to me leaving my mic on? Anybody be opposed to it when I make a call in the Century? 'Cause that's the trade that I'm gonna take. Okay. Okay, as long as nobody's opposed to it, our way. Okay. So the next one, I'll just leave my mic on in here and go over there and tell them what to do, what I'm looking. But just so you guys know, the trade that was called was this, funny enough, Westy, and who was it? Westy and Justin called the M. Funny enough, it was the same call, except they just scaled into the couple contracts short, who took a $450 profit and moved down. So we actually got the same M you guys got, just in a different way. That's the only trade I made so far today. That's it. Here, let me see if I can do it. Show it. It doesn't let me show the entries on the tick center. I don't understand. Let me see if I do this chart. I'll show you guys. I don't think it does though. Data series. Huh. That's interesting. There we go. I don't know why it's not. Let me see the. It doesn't show it the right way, and I don't want to confuse you guys, but it was pretty much the same thing that Westy and same M that Westy and the same M that Westy and uh, Justin I think got. Was it you, Justin, that got the M? You and Westy? All right, you finally pushed above the news high, so let's see if it stays there. Now you're getting a technical retest pullback here to the 89. It is flat, guys. 89 is flat, but if you do a first touch rule, do it with the tick reversal to confirm it. I wouldn't just blindly take a first touch rule when 89 is flat like this and not being respected either. That's typically what happens when it's flat. So again, scalpers fair. You guys can scalp things like this. I mean, a limit order on that, scalp you a decent little win, right? And I keep saying that. Those of you that are good at scalping, scalp for the zones.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hope you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, please visit libertytrading.com or use the link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share.